Okay, so I'm gonna help you out with this problem about taxes. It says right here that Brandy pays $23 in federal income tax and $100, no, for every $100. And she also pays $8 in state income tax for every $100. So that means that for $100, if that's her income, she pays 23 for federal and she pays 8 in state. So if this is the income right here, and this is the federal taxes, and this is the state. But what if she has another 100? That's 200. That's going to be 23 here and 8 here. What about 300? It's going to be 23 here and then 8 here. What about 400? She pays 23 here and 8 here. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 400. What about another 100? She pays 23 here and 8 here. Right, for every 100 she pays 23. But what if she's making 550? How much tax will she pay? Right? So I want you to figure out their question mark and here question mark, and then answer the questions on PowerSchool. Let me see if that helped. Thank you.